Okay, let's do this.
How y'all doing?
Okay.
Yeah, my name's Colt Ford. I got my friend down here with me. We just some country boys from Georgia. We're gonna do a little something about the dirt roads that we come from. I'm gonna rap a little bit.
Oh my god!
I'm singing. Let's go.
Oh my god!
Lay back, swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke blowing out the window, and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane in the headlight.
Wait, here, ready? I'm not gonna hit you anymore. I don't have my phone like this. Oh, come here, I'm not gonna hit you. Come here.
Turning off a real loud driving.
Nathaniel, come here. If I hit you, I'll let you hit me with it. Can I see that?
Back in the day, Pop
can I see that?
was place to go.
Wait, put your hood down, so I'm not gonna hit you, I swear. If I do, I'm gonna punch you in the balls. Ready? I'm gonna be like,
King in the can and the Marlboro
Matt
man.
Cam!
We're a few good men when we learn how to kiss and guts to fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue. And all this small town, he said, she said, ain't it funny